friends, I'm in my daughter's room today and I'm getting ready to share another tutorial with you. I'm about to put up a gallery wall in this corner, but first I'm like, why is there not already a mural painted there? Hello, sir. I was seriously ready to start hanging things up. I have all of these things gathered to hang up in that corner, but I'm gonna throw some paint up there real quick and then we'll get to this. Whew, okay, the mural is done. I took that pendant light down to paint the mural, and I figured it would be easier to keep it down while I hang some pictures, and I closed that blind for now because it was just blasting in light. This other one is okay because the kitty's enjoying the sun. So I've got all this stuff laid out. I need to try and figure out what kind of configuration I want. And I am very excited to use this new contraption. It's from National Hardware and it's from their placement collection. We are partnering with National Hardware for this project, and I have seen these in action on the interwebs and I am very pumped to try it. Let's do it. Okay, for this more narrow wall right here, I think that I want to put these 3 silhouette plaques kind of stacked on top of each other so that it has a very vertical effect right there. And then on this bigger wall, I want to have more of kind of a collage going on here. So I have these kind of laid out the way that I want. This is a needlepoint from my grandma. This is the twins' booties. And then my cousin made this cute little cross stitch thing. Honestly, I need more pictures of Cypress because this is the only part that she's gonna have in this other than her cute little spiky hair there. So let's get to this. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is find the center of this wall. Okay, I marked the center of the wall over there in a few different places, and now I have a few of these comb hooks that I'm gonna deal with. But first, let me show you how this thing works. To start with, I took one of these off because you can just use one to put in a single nail. I'll show you how to use both of them later, but you just take a nail, you drop it right in there. Let me show you. Now I'm gonna come over here and decide where I want my height, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm somewhere on that center line. You ready for this? Oh, look at that. Oh, if it would focus. It's even like at a slight angle, just exactly how you would want a nail to go. So now I'm gonna come down here, grab this. Oh my goodness, that's the quickest I've ever hung anything ever. Okay, Cypress was our youngest child, so we made this one last a few years later, and so for some reason we thought we needed to put 2 comb hooks on this one. So let me show you how we're gonna handle this. So I've put this back on. These are adjustable, and it even has this little level thing, which is super handy. So let me turn this so you can see. So we're just gonna adjust this until it fits right in the center of each of those. And then now we can take this, put it up on the wall, and push both of those nails in, and this will just pop up. Let's do that side now.